Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 23rd, 2015, and today is Thursday morning. Looking at the economic calendar, we've got a few numbers coming out today. GBP number coming out at 10:30 this morning, and then at 2:30 South African time, we have a CAD number, core retail sales, and the weekly unemployment numbers coming in the United States at 2:30 South African time. Looking at the markets, though, not much happened yesterday, but a few things of note. As we could look here, we're looking at actually a new layout. Hopefully it'll be much user-friendly on your eyes. But looking at here, we're looking at the USD, Euro USD. We had this nice rally yesterday to 109.5. We've sold off a little bit, and a little bit of a bull flag there, and then we're bouncing off of that. So, is this the end of its rally? Maybe. But that'll need to be seen. At this level, I wouldn't necessarily short it. I wouldn't necessarily buy it. I'd like to see it go to 10 for it to challenge that. We're right in the middle of this range, so not so favorable to enter at this position. But if you're long, I would get out a little bit. If you're short, I'll just make sure if it goes against you above this level of 109.75-ish level, to cover your short. So looking at the GBP USD, not major news happened yesterday, but looking at the daily, over the daily calendar, the daily graph, we're right in the middle. Okay, and we're back to this level of 156-ish level. So it looks like the currencies against the dollar are tapering off a little bit. Looking at the Dow here, we sold off yesterday a little bit more, 68 points yesterday. We're now just bouncing after markets. But altogether, like I said, like I mentioned yesterday, we're playing with these. We're really trading with these two ranges. As long as we haven't broken the bottom range, I don't see it as a problem. But comes the end of August, I'd really like to see some sort of either breakout on the top or sell off on the bottom, just some sort of clear direction as to breaking this trading range. Looking at oil here, we flipped over to the September contract. We're trading up below $50. This is really a major level where we broke down below this $50 range. So it can continue going down to $43. I mean, if we look at the weekly chart, just quickly, there's no reason we can't challenge this $46, $47 range as well. I'm not sure if we'll do it all at one time and we'll do it all together, but it's definitely could be challenged. Looking at commodities, we're still in gold here. We're at the bottom at 1099, really trading at that level. Really haven't really bounced from this sell-off, and we're still trading even lower. We really got to be very careful. I wouldn't look to buy this right now, just because it's not even bouncing just a little bit, and it's really very, very weak. Looking at the USD ZAR and seeing how this is affecting the USD ZAR, it's still, holding itself. It's not breaking out higher, which is a good sign for the ZAR. But altogether, it is getting weaker. Gold is getting weaker, and it's quite disconcerting what's happening in the commodities markets. Lots of sell-offs in gold, oil, which are basic staples here anywhere globally. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.